Hello, my name is Chrissy Bibbs, and this is my technology professional development plan. Okay, facts about my school. At Harvest Hills Elementary, we are a pre-K through 5th grade elementary school with around 400 students and 40 teachers. 5 new teachers and a new assistant principal will be hired for this upcoming year. 2 of those new teachers will teach the same grade level, and the third team member has only taught for 1 year. And so that grade is going to be brand new, and it's actually second grade. And so with second grade being, all grades are super important, but second grade is really critical with um, being the last year before state testing. And so it's very important to have a strong team smack in the middle of your elementary life. Hoping to open our doors to parents coming in this next school year. So we've had our doors locked for parents because of COVID, and I just really hope that we're able to let parents come in and other people like volunteers. Why is the professional development necessary? Professional development sets you up for success. It expands your knowledge base. It's a confidence booster for everybody that attends. You meet other teachers, and it helps you set and achieve your goals. You also become a better teacher. And I got a lot of my notes from the link at the very bottom. Topic and skills addressed at the professional development. Okay, the one that I found was a technology integration workshop. I found a lot in Oklahoma that didn't really have to do with, it was hard finding some that had to deal with technology. So the one that I found was out of state. This workshop, educators learn how existing and emerging technologies can enhance lesson effectiveness and student engagement. Attendees are introduced to new and emerging technologies, as well as challenged to create an innovative unit plan for their classroom. Some of the popular sessions that will be at this professional development workshop are coding, digital collaborations, digital accessibility, formative assessments, Google Classroom, video creation, virtual and augmented reality, and updates and changes to Google Classroom. The location of the professional development, times, frequency, and dates. This is happening once in Hopkins, Minnesota, and it is on Monday, August 1st through Wednesday, August 3rd. The audience for the professional development are principals, superintendents, teachers, administrative staff, school facility administrators, and building facility administrators. The mode of instruction and who is the presenter. The workshop holds a variety of breakout sessions. Okay, this lets teachers be able to get in smaller groups and not be so overwhelmed in a big old crowd. You're able to go specifically to what maybe topic you want to listen to. And then you are assigned to small groups. So maybe based off of your grade level that you teach, or based off of which different topics you want to listen to. The presenter is led by technology integration specialists. What supplies and resources are needed? So these are the things that I will need to do on my end to make sure that we're able to make it to this technology workshop. Participants are required to use a laptop or computer during the workshop. They must have access to high-speed and high-functioning internet connection. Attendees will complete a unit plan while they are attending the workshop using the curriculum writing method, understanding by design. So it's important for all employees to probably take a glance at the understanding by design curriculum writing method. before going to the workshop. The fee is $150 per teacher or $100 if there's going to be two or more. Of course, I plan to send more than two teachers, and so I think that we are going to have to raise those funds, not raise them, but allocate those funds so that we are able to go to that workshop together. And it's a far distance, it's back in Minnesota. And so we're going to have to put that into our consideration as well. Scholarships are available to educators in schools that lack staff development funds. So they have someone that you can contact for scholarship applications. How will we determine if the professional development was a success? Well, when we come back from the professional development, we'll discuss the best practices that we believe will work specifically for our school, because we know every building is different, and we will share the best practices with everybody in our building that was not able to go to the workshop. All right. Thank you so much for watching this presentation.